I am picking up where I left off on Tuesday night, I believe it was. I was down here. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is the wedding. So I finally took the muslin off the dress form and kind of trued up my lines. You see, I have the put some notches so I know where to connect things. But this is what the back is looking like so far. And oh, let's do this. There we go. So back pieces, back left, back right, and then this is the front. If I wasn't rushing, I would transfer this to paper, but I'm just gonna make it using the muslin as my pattern piece, and then I'll just save the muslin, and then if I want to make it again, I'll use this. I'll probably transfer it over to paper then. But all right, let's get busy. And I didn't show y'all the fabric that I was using, so I'll be using this it's called Epic Blooms. If you shop on Etsy, it is from the House of Mami Wada. So black owned business, and she only sells wax fabric. So yep, that's what this will be, because the bride asked that everyone wear red, but I'm a little bit different, so I'm gonna do this. It's gonna be pretty. I'm gonna do a dress too. I don't know if I said that. I'm gonna do a dress. I need to put some pockets. I'll just throw some pockets. I don't need to make a pattern piece for that. All right, y'all, let's get started.
Oh my God. Terrell, slow down.
Pretty good.
Oh, that's a funny story, guy. But, hey, don't make it all about you. Ask her about her day. And, here's somebody's glass.
Front of the skirt is now cut. This is just a basic circle skirt, and I'll cut it again, same piece but for the back, and I'm gonna try and line it up with this print. This side I'm not too much worried about. But from the front, my little wedding party dress is coming together. Yes. All right, got all this done. Haven't decided. I may or may not use this, not sure, because I don't want it to be too long. I'm not sure. So yeah. And then I'll just cut out some pockets. Whoa. Alrighty, so I am I don't know, it's 7:30. I may go for another hour. So what I have to do next, I put pockets in here. What I am going to do, I spent all that time matching the print and then made a mistake and sewed the wrong sides together. And this is going to stay this way because I'm not taking it apart. But let me do that. But it's fine. It's fine. So cute little circle skirt, one shoulder situation. I'm going to get a zipper because I do not have one right now. And I'm going to do just an invisible zipper up on the back. And now I just need to figure out if I am still going to do this part around the shoulder, like the little ruffle. I don't know. I kind of like the ruffle, But I just like I'm just not sure. You know, do I need to do all of that? I think it makes it a little bit more special.
Very sticky. I think I deserve better than someone who regularly abandons me for, treats, right? So yeah, it's sticky. You okay, right? I mean, yeah, oh yeah, we're fine. I mean, we're friends. Our parents are married to one another, so yeah, friends.
Or like siblings.
Okay. So something along those lines. I'm thinking. What y'all think?
No,
I don't know.
because mommy.
I decided to attach the. I decided to attach the little ruffle along the neckline because if I attach the ruffle, that means that I don't have to line it. Happy Dan. Okay. So I, yeah, basically attach
Okay.
wrong side to wrong side, and then I'm flipping it over so that the right side is up. So I sewed them wrong side to wrong side, and then I flip it over so the right side faces up. And I'm just going to top stitch along the top edge. That way it won't come up. And then the only thing I'll have left to do is hem this part and get a zipper. And that is it. Alrighty, so it's done except for a zipper. May or may not take this off. I don't know. I need to see it on first, but I don't feel like trying it on today. And that's the back. So, and then it has pockets, which is cool. Yeah, I'll see. I don't know. I may just rock it just to avoid having to fix it. I think I don't know. I don't know what would make this better for me. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Should I take it off and just do bias tape to finish my seams? Keep in mind that I need this for tomorrow, July 31st at 6 p.m. So my time is very limited and I still need to finish the armhole here and put a zipper in. So, all right, guys.
I'll try to.